everyone, this is Gayatri, and in this quick connect we will just see how to install intellij-idea in Ubuntu system. So I'm just going through the documentation and we are going to install the same from the terminal by executing few commands. So let me just open the documentation. Yeah, so these are all the commands we need to check with. So we can install intellij-idea-community, intellij-idea ultimate, intellij-idea educational. So whichever you need, you can pick the command as per that. So I'm just going to install intellij-idea-community edition. So let me just select this command. And let me go to terminal, and here let me paste the command. The command is sudo snap install intellij-idea community classic. So the installation process is going on. You can see the process status over here, 72 percentage. Some MBs of RAM it is taking. So everything and the time. So it's showing everything. It may take little more time to install, as we can see the further processes. Here you can see download snap intellij-idea community. So it's downloading few internal files related to intellij-idea community editions. It's still processing, it's still going on. So we shall wait here. The process is still going on. You can see something called 60% of the activity has been completed for a specific task. So we shall wait here. Yes. We shall wait for some more time as the process is still going on. Fine. IntelliJ IDEA Community version from JetBrains is installed. This is the message we can get. Here you can see the message, and that means this IntelliJ IDEA has been installed over here. Now we need to check how can we access IntelliJ IDEA from Ubuntu. So for that, let me just go to again the documentation, and here to start IntelliJ IDEA using the below command, we can use the below respective command to start IntelliJ IDEA. So the command is, we need to use IntelliJ IDEA community because I installed community edition. Let me go to terminal and let's say okay, let's say IntelliJ IDEA community, COMM and so community probably I have to specify completely again. So let me go to the documentation community. Take this command correctly from here. I can write it, but okay, let me just write it. Idea community. So we are just executing the command intellij-idea-community, and we can see intellij-idea community edition 2023.2 is getting invoked from our Ubuntu system. So now I am just going to confirm this message. Now let me continue. Sends the anonymous statistics. Yes, we can see intellij-idea has been launched in Ubuntu machine. Fine. So thank you for watching this video. I hope the steps are clear. Like only two commands we used. One is to install intellij-idea from terminal. Another one is to start intellij-idea from the terminal. Fine. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope it is useful. Have a nice time.